Hi, this is John Fallett with Senior Enrollment Solutions. How do you know that you're purchasing the right Medicare Advantage plan? Currently, there's many different carriers offering many different Medicare Advantage plans, and I'll tell you, in 2020, here in Michigan alone, there's 89 plans available. Wow. How are you purchasing the right plan? Well, first and foremost, what to look for. When we assist a consumer in understanding or evaluating their Medicare Advantage plan options, there are certain things that we go through on a step-by-step basis to help narrow down the plans that may be the best fit for you as a consumer. First, the knowns. What do you know you're going to have to pay this upcoming year? Whether or not that's a prescription drug deductible, whether or not that's prescription drug copayments, whether or not that's a therapy visit, a specialist visit, a dermatology visit, whatever it may be, what do we know that you're going to have to come up with this year, and which provider is going to have the least amount of out-of-pocket cost specifically pertaining to your prescription drug costs? Some carriers may or may not cover your medications, and some carriers may love your medications. So the prescription drug cost is first. Next, we look at the risk of the plan. The federal government sets the maximum out-of-pocket at currently $6,700 a year. Some plans are as low as $3,200 for the year, and other plans are somewhere in between. So understanding your potential risk as a consumer is incredibly important. That's the second step that we take. The next step is your network. If all plans are identical, who accepts that carrier? Do you have to change your primary care physician? Do you have to change your cardiologist or your GYN? Changing physicians that you may or may have not built a relationship with may or may not be difficult for you. So understanding what the network is, and if you can, keep your primary care or keep your current physician list, or if you do need to change. Lastly are the value-added benefits. Advantage plans oftentimes offer dental, vision, hearing, transportation, over-the-counter medications, and gym memberships. What do you need? What do you need this upcoming year? Do you need dental work done? Do you need a new hearing aid? Would you like to get new eyewear? Do you need transportation to get you to and from a physician's office? Your life may change, and so should your coverage. Visit our website at seniorenrollmentsolutions.com to further understand what your options are and to be empowered on what plans are available to you in your area. Of course, if you don't wish to use the internet, if you don't wish to go online, phone us anytime at 877-777-5972 and speak with one of our licensed agents that can help guide you through the muddy waters of Medicare.